In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Zoho business email step by step. Whether you're setting up your email for a fledgling startup or simply exploring cost-effective options for personal projects, getting started with Zoho can be a straightforward journey. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you understand every step clearly and confidently, so by the end of this, you'll have your Zoho business email ready to go. First, head over to Zoho's official website. Zoho provides a comprehensive suite of cloud-based software solutions, making it a reliable choice for creating your business email. Once you're on the home page, look for the Mail option. Zoho Mail is a secure, privacy-guaranteed, and feature-rich email service, which will be perfect for your business communications. Next, select the Mail option. This will guide you to a new page specifically for Zoho's email services. Here, we're looking for the Business Email checkbox, which signifies you're opting for a professional email setup, ideal when you want an email associated with your business domain. Ensure this box is checked before proceeding, as it differentiates a standard email account from a business-oriented one. Now, you'll need to fill in some basic personal information to create your account. Start by typing in your name. This will help personalize your account, ensuring the communications you send will have your name as the sender. After that, enter a valid email address or phone number. This information will be crucial as it will be used for account recovery and important communications from Zoho. Once that's done, it's time to set up a password. Choose a strong, unique password that's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember, this is crucial not just for accessing your account, but also for maintaining the security of your business communications. A good tip is to use a password manager to keep your passwords secure and accessible. The next step involves reviewing Zoho's terms of service. It's essential to understand the agreement you're entering, so take a moment to go over it. After reviewing, click the checkbox to accept the terms. This is a necessary step to proceed with the registration. Finally, click on the Sign Up button. This will submit your details and create your Zoho business email account. And that's it. You've just signed up for a free Zoho business email ready to support your professional endeavors. Congratulations on setting up your Zoho business email. Going through each step ensures that your email account is not only tailored to your needs, but is secure and ready for business use. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how easy and efficient it can be to set up your professional communications on Zoho. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.